Shared files. Hey there, Molly back again. Sharing files with your colleagues through Teams is really simple. Just attach an item to a message and send it straight through. When there's a lot of updates and files going back and forth, it can get pretty hard to keep track. This video will give you some tips to help you keep track of and access these files super easily. In a channel, click on the Files tab up the top. This will show you a list of all the files that have been shared. You can pin important documents to the top of this list by clicking the 3 dots and then Pin to Top. Or, if it's especially important information that people will need to access regularly, you can add it as its own tab. To do so, click the 3 dots next to the file name and select Make this a tab. It will now appear at the top of the channel navigation as its very own link. For more tips like this, find us on YouTube or check out the Teams Accelerator page on our website.